In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create curved shapes in Figma. First, open your browser and head to figma.com. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard where all your work lives. From here, look for the All Projects view so you can easily see everything in your workspace. This makes it simple to find the right file without digging around. Open the project you want to work in, give the canvas a second to load, then zoom to a comfortable level so you can draw precisely. It helps to keep your layers panel visible so you can see the shape you're about to create show up as its own layer. Next, select the pen tool from the toolbar. You can also press P on your keyboard as a quick shortcut. The pen tool is what lets you place anchor points and create smooth flowing curves using Bezier handles. Don't worry if that sounds technical. Once you try it, it'll click. Click once on the canvas to place your first point. For your second point, click and drag before letting go. Dragging pulls out direction handles which control the curve. Keep clicking and dragging to add more points, shaping the curve as you go. A helpful tip: fewer anchor points usually lead to smoother, cleaner curves. If one part of the line feels too sharp, place the next point farther away and pull the handles a bit longer. If you need to tweak a single handle without affecting the other side, hold the Alt or Option key while dragging. If you want to turn the path into a closed shape, move back to your starting point and click it to close the loop. To refine what you've drawn, select the shape and double-click to enter vector edit mode. You can move anchor points, adjust handles, and fine-tune the curve until it feels just right. Take your time here. Small adjustments make a big difference. With the shape selected, add color from the right-hand sidebar. Under fill, pick a solid color or try a gradient for a more dynamic look. You can also adjust opacity for a softer appearance. If you want an outline, turn on stroke, choose a color, and increase the weight to the thickness you like. For a filled blob style, keep fill on and either disable stroke or set it very thin. That's it. Open Figma, enter your project, use the pen tool to draw your curve, and finish by coloring it. Practice a few variations and you'll be creating smooth, expressive shapes in no time.